Hi friends, today I will tell you about two very useful things in Snowflake, exclude and rename. Okay, let's see with examples what is exclude and rename. Suppose we have 100 or 200 columns in a table, okay, and I want to select only, suppose if I have 100 columns in a table, I want to select only 99 columns. Okay, in that case what we have to do, we have to type all 99 columns in the select query, right? So that is difficult work. So suppose in this table I am operating on this Snowflake sample data, this schema, and I'm using this call center table for our example now. Suppose if you see in this call center table, we have so many row, so many columns, so many fields. Okay, I want to select all these fields except one or two fields from this. So in that case, what you have to do in general, you have to write all the column names in the query. Suppose let's execute this query. Select star from Snowflake sample data, call center table. So if you see here, there are a lot of fields, right? Lot of fields are there. Here in these fields I want to select all the fields except the CCGMT offset. Okay, in that case, in general we have to write all the field names here in the select class, but in Snowflake we have a new feature called exclude. So if I want to exclude any one or two columns or three columns, if I want to exclude any columns, okay, I can put in the exclude class. Okay, suppose in this example I want to exclude the CCGMT offset column from this table. Okay, so from this select query, so let's execute. Select star, so we have to write query like this: select star, and then the list of columns to be excluded. Okay, so I'm saying exclude only this column for now. So when I execute this query, now you see, so at the end we have directly the CC tax percentage column. We don't have this CC GMT offset column. Suppose if I want to exclude more than one column like two or three, so suppose in the next example I want to exclude two columns, GMT offset and CC state. So in that case, we can write the statement like this: select star and exclude the columns to be excluded in the braces. Okay, so just execute this statement. So in the previous example, you can see this state, right? Only we have excluded offset column. Now see, so now you cannot see this state column here. Okay, because we are excluding state along with the offset column. Okay, so this is very useful. So maybe in this table we have only just 20-25 fields, but in real time you may need to handle with hundreds of columns. In that case, this will save your time and labor work of typing all those fields. Okay, so the next one is rename. Suppose I have another scenario like I have 100 columns in the table, but I want to select 99 columns as it is from the table, but I want to rename one column, or I want to give alias name for only one column. So in that case, what we have to do in real time, in general, so we have to type all 99 columns as it is and put alias for the last column or whatever the column we want. So that is also difficult, right? We have to type 99 column names. But just think about, there is one more new feature in Snowflake called rename. Okay, so what this will do, so if we want to rename one or two fields or three fields, any number of fields, so if we want to give aliases for one or more than one fields, so we can put like this: select star rename. So here in this example I want to rename this CC state. Okay, so if you see here, so CC state and CC zip. Okay, I want to rename these two fields. I want to rename the CC state as state code, and I want to rename CC zip as zip code. Okay, so how we can write: simply select star and list of the fields we want to rename here. So if you want to rename only one field, you can use like this: rename the field name as and the new alias name. If you want to rename more than one field, then you have to put them in the braces. So let's execute this statement. So now you see, so come to end. So here if you can see, so instead of cc state, now we are getting as state code. Instead of cc zip, we are getting as zip code. So this is very easy, right? Okay, suppose if I want to use both exclude and rename in the same select statement, that means I want to exclude one or two fields and I want to rename one or two fields. I want to give alias name for one or two fields. So how we can do it is simply, suppose in this example I want to exclude this gmt offset column and I want to rename this state and zip columns. So how we can write the select statement? Select star and exclude this gmt offset column and rename these two fields cc state as state code, cc zip as zip code from this table. Okay, so let's execute this. So you see, so we have excluded this cc gmt column, it's not there. And you can see uh, state code and zip code, instead of cc state and cc zip, we can see state code and zip code, right? So this is very simple, and I'm saying again and again, in real time this is very useful when you are handling with hundreds of columns, right? So it will save your time and your labor work, right? I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this content, please click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you friends. Bye.